Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to find direct deposit form CIBC app. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So how do you find the deposit form for CIBC? Well, currently, if you're going to ask if it's possible for us to find it via the application itself, then unfortunately, it is not possible for us to find it via the application itself. But the good thing about CIBC is currently they actually provide the form via their official website. Now, in this case, I would suggest you to open up their official website, maybe on your computer or in your mobile device. Go ahead and open up any browser. And in this case, all you need to do is visit their website and visit personal banking, ways to bank, and pay your direct deposit. Now, if you're unable to link or find this link here, I would suggest you to use Google here and just type in the following, which is going to be CIBC direct deposit form. And you should be able to see the link here that says set up your direct deposit form on the CIBC.com website. Now, in this case, go ahead and click on it and you should be directed to this website here. Now, in this page here, what you need to do is you need to scroll down a bit until you see the section here that says set up direct deposits today. Now, in this case, for you to get the form, you need to first sign in into your account. So go ahead and choose the option here, sign on for your form. And from here, what you need to do is you need to enter your card number, your password, and from here, just click on sign on or register now if you don't have yet an account. Now, in this case, after signing in or registering, you should be able to get your account and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.